85% of the all anti-Muslim posts originated in the India, US and UK in a groundbreaking annual research report for the year 2022. The Islamic Council of Victoria exposes the alarming surge of Islamophobia on the social media platforms with an urgent plea for the governments and Twitter to address and curb this rising trend of hatred. The Islamic Council of Victoria, in its report, reveals a staggering 3.75 million Islamophobic posts on Twitter. Shockingly, after close to a year, a significant 85% of these posts persisted online, perpetuating a cycle of discrimination and fostering an environment of hostility. Approximately 86% of the geolocated anti-Muslim posts originated from the just three countries: India, the United States and the United Kingdom. This concentration emphasizes the urgent need for action and intervention by the governments of these countries. The identified themes within Islamophobic tweets are deeply troubling, with the associations of Islam and terrorism, the portrayal of Muslim men as perpetrators of the sexual violence, and the indigenous conspiracy theories of the Sharia imposition and the population jihad, producing more children to fight non-Muslims. These narratives contribute to a toxic environment that fuels discrimination and threatens the safety of the Muslim communities. Last year, the United Nations strongly encouraged the international community to take all necessary measures to combat discrimination against Muslims and prohibit any advocacy of the religious hatred that constitutes incitement to violence, while warning that anti-Muslim hatred has reached epidemic proportions. Worryingly, this appeal has fallen largely on the deaf ears, particularly within the executive boardrooms of the social media companies, which have done little or nothing to remove the anti-Muslim content from their platforms. This inaction is having a devastating impact on the Muslim minority communities throughout the world, with the microblogging site Twitter becoming a primary source for the proliferation and amplification of the anti-Muslim hatred. The social media company should now focus its attention on the user behavior within three countries in particular, according to a new study which found the US, the UK and India contributed a staggering 86% of the anti-Muslim content on Twitter during a 3-year period.